Okay, so this is the spiral review that happens every day in my Math 5 a day. I have a small group at the carpet with me, a group of students who needs more support. I have the independent workers at their desk. I hire students who need to be pushed further, have a set of green numbers next to each of those problems, and they get to get that further push. We correct together, and then that's how our spiral review works every day. So I started the lesson off with just looking at the M&M math book because we had already been doing multiplication. I wanted to deliver the lesson in as many possible ways as I could with the kids. Now I want to show you a poster that I'm going to do myself the first time. I'm going to do it, then we're going to do it together, then you all are going to go do it at your desks and your partners, and then for the final part of the lesson, we're going to each make our own project alone. Then I went into an I do, we do, you all do, you do type gradual release of responsibility, where I had this poster and I was doing the project that the kids were going to do, but I was modeling it, they were just watching. And then we went into doing it together. Each of the students got a similar looking piece of paper to work with on the carpet. We had a different word problem, and then we all did it together. And then the students took that same, a blank sheet of paper with that same concept, a different word problem that were differentiated based on the level of the students and the groups, and the groups were heterogeneously grouped at their desks. And then they were able to do that as the you all do portion of the lesson. Now this is the project you're working on, okay? I already put all these black lines on here for you, but some of you will have the words, some of you will not. Some of you will have this sentence written, some of you will not, okay? If you do not, you need to put it there yourself. If you already have it there, you're going to work on the next part of solving and using your strategies for every question. This is my model. Then they finally went into their final project to do the independent portion of the lesson, which is also differentiated by the difficulty level of the word problems and also the amount of work that I put on the poster, meaning like the labeling. Some of that was done for them, for the students who needed a little extra support. This is me working in a small group at the back table while the rest of the students are working independently. I was able to work with students who I knew needed more support with multiplication, and then I was able to walk about the room and provide support to the students that were working independently at their desks, and then get back to the small group at the back table to be able to work with the students who I knew needed extra support.